but you can't really hear it when you're driving, but I'm sure you'll hear it now. Your idle is low. Do any more damage if it is a fucking rod, because who cares, but I don't know.